Jack-o'-lunger is one of those Tekky Toys spring-powered props that has a lurching action. Not just the lurching action, the arms have a 4-bar mechanism, which means like that and go out like that. Yeah, this guy is normally $199.99. Just total bull if you ask me. Tekky Toys did a wonderful job at making this. It has almost no problems, which is kind of weird knowing that the guy isn't even out of his box yet. And I'm already saying, I recommend him. You gotta fucking buy him, you know, shit like that. Well, I do. And that's because I spent countless hours playing with the one at the store. Watch one of Tekky's setup videos. You should be able to set up every single Tekky prop matching A to A. Twist to lock into place. Here we go. Fast forward with my music. Push down into the into the hole on the body pole until you hear an audible click. Don't hold his head like I was just doing. You might break something. You might break his neck. You might Billy or I. Let's see if he twerks. Let's see if he'll fit on my little pedestal place I have for him. He fits perfectly on my little pedestal place I have for him. Now let's pretend I'm walking through my haunted house. Aw, so scary. Aw, that is so utterly terrifying. That scared the shit out of me. I almost died. Brains. I want brains. Leave a like, leave a comment, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become a fellow troll today. We'll see you next time. Thank you, and goodbye.